How to find transaction history on Binance. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to find transaction history on Binance, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the Binance website on my computer, and now when you're in here, then you will need to log into your account. And to do that, you need to click here and then fill out your details. When you are logged into your account, then you will come to this page. And what you need to do next is to click right here where it says wallet, then go down until you find where it says transaction history, and that is exactly where you need to click. In here, you will be able to find your transaction history on Binance, and you can filter your deposit history, withdrawal history, and so on. You can also choose the timeline that you want to see. For example, if you want to see the last 30 days or 90 days, you can also customize the time frame that you want to see. So this is exactly how to find transaction history on Binance. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.